In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to call eBay customer service. Whether you're an experienced eBay user or a newcomer, knowing how to reach out to customer service can be incredibly helpful if you encounter any issues or have questions about transactions. Let's dive right in and I'll guide you through the steps to get in touch with a representative. First, let's head over to eBay's official website at ebay.com. This is your starting point for accessing all of eBay's features and services, including customer support. You want to make sure you're visiting the correct site to protect your personal information and ensure you're dealing with legitimate eBay processes. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Help and Contact link. It's typically located towards the upper section of the screen, perhaps near the search bar. Clicking on this link will direct you to a page dedicated to assisting with frequently asked questions, troubleshooting guides, and more comprehensive support options. After you've selected Help and Contact, your next step is to click on Contact Us. This is where eBay offers more direct support channels, including pertinent information about resolving specific issues. Typically, you'll find this link in a prominent position on the Help page, inviting you to seek further assistance if needed. Now, once you've entered the Contact Us section, you'll need to follow the on-screen instructions. This part may vary, depending on the nature of your inquiry. eBay uses this method to filter and guide you efficiently. Following these steps will aid you in reaching the appropriate support that matches your concern, which is a great time-saving feature. Once you've followed these instructions, look for the option to chat with our automated assistant. This feature appears prominently within their contact avenues. Initiating a chat with eBay's automated assistant can help clarify your needs, allowing you to specify that you're looking to speak with a real person or get a contact number. At this stage, you can type your request to chat or call a customer service representative. The automated assistant is designed to understand and process such requests. Be sure to follow any further prompts from the assistant carefully. This digital process helps streamline your query, making it easier to connect you to eBay's knowledgeable customer service team. These steps should guide you effectively towards speaking with a representative from eBay. Remember to be patient and prepare any relevant details about your account or issue to help expedite the process. With these insights, you're now ready to reach out to eBay whenever necessary for your buying or selling activities. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.